Deleting all files in a directory with Python. I want to delete all files with the extension .back in a directory. How can I do that in Python?
Via os.listIO and os.remove. Using only a single loop. Or via glob.glob. Be sure to be in the correct directory, eventually using os.jdir.
Use os.jdir to change directory. Use glob.glob to generate a list of file names which end at .back. The elements of the list are just strings. Then you could use os.unlink to remove the files. P.S. os.unlink and os.remove are synonyms for the same function.
In Python 3.5, os.scandir is better if you need to check for file attributes or type. See os.directory for properties of the object that's returned by the function. This also doesn't require changing directories since each directory already includes the full path to the file.
You can create a function. Add max depth as you like for traversing subdirectories.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.